What's behind this door?
That one? You see, those are the ghosts.
I'm going to curdle.
The lock's rusted.
It's been a long time since they've come out.
I'm not frightened. Don't you think it'd be better to peep through the keyhole first?
Get ready with the cage, Tylo.
Here's the smell of blood still. All the perfumes of Arabia will not...
Man, come back, my dear. Come back. Don't be afraid. And crack your cheeks! With his hand. Here, my dear, by the stairs.
What are you doing there?
Keeping watch, making sure they don't escape.
Vos ridicules, il n'y a qu'un pas. On vieillit vite sur les champs de bataille et j'en arrive.
You would have thought the old man.
Look, Nico, they're frightened. Look at them, they're frightened. They're scared of us. Hello, lady.
They've felt so foolish since man stopped taking them seriously. Help me, drive them back!
Come on, faster. Shoot.
You know you're only allowed out on Halloween.
What about this one?
Take care, Tiltil. That's the most dangerous place in my palace.
Listen.
Terrible, bloodthirsty monsters. The wars. Man knows them well.
Let's not go there. Please, not there.
No, certainly not.
I told Light I'd look everywhere.
Yes, but it is dangerous.
Let him go if he wants to. I cannot refuse him, no matter how stupid it may be. Oh, beware, Tiltil. You know what will happen if one of them should escape and show himself on Earth.
Please be careful.
Can't.
Please, Tiltil. No. No, Tiltil. You must not open this one.
Why not?
Listen to her. Please do as she says.
You are young and innocent. I like you. I feel pity for you. Oh, Tiltil, you've seen some of the horrors, some of the dreadful things that man can imagine. Behind this door are the unimaginable horrors. No one who has ever opened this door has lived to see the light of day.
What's it called?
It's called the pit.
Yes, the bottomless pit.
I must.
Take pity on us. Don't do it. I beg you on my knees.
Light's trying to save you. Listen to her.
No, Tiltil, don't. Please don't. I must.
Very well, open it then. Risk your own lives if you will. Wait! Wait for me! Run quickly! Run for your life!
I'm not afraid, little master. I'll stay with you. I'll stay.
Good boy, Tylo. Brave boy. I'll come soon. I'll come with you. They're dead. Why have they died? What did we do to them?
They're not real birds, Till-Till. Can't you see that?
But they were flying. We saw them. They were so beautiful.
They're just dream
birds, darling. They're not real. Come on. Leave them here. They'll disappear in the sunlight. Wings in the sky, the ghosts of all the bluebirds. Wings like children's voices sighing, asking people why children's hopes must die. I want to cry, we've lost our dream come true, birds. Eager children's wishes flying, flying far too high, they disappear out of sight, and I hear their bruising wings fade away in the sky. Shadows of children starting to cry, starting to cry, starting to
I'm cold. I'm thirsty. So am I.
Are you chilly, children? Don't feel cold. Here are my 2 warm hands to hold.
Follow me, children. Drink your fill.
Till, here I am. Here I am.
You must be so tired. Come with me. There'll be food to refresh you, all the things you like best, everything you like. Come with me.
Who is she?
We'll ride together. Don't be afraid.
What about light?
Come with me and you'll have a white stallion of your very own. What a fine horseman you'll make.